'07 Ram Crew Cab SLT 1500, just over 77,000 miles. I love this red TRX4 Off-Road Edition, which means 4x4, all-terrain tires all around. A couple of them look new, the others about 70%. Tonneau cover, man, very clean. No hitch, no scratches, no dings, as you guys can see. That all-terrain, as you can tell. This thing's got the 5.7. This is the big Hemi. Awesome thread. Rust-free. Well maintained. Like I said, no scratches, no dings anywhere on the vehicle. Super clean crew cab. Cloth, brand new floor mats, front and rear. Never been smoked in, no rip stains, tears. New floor mats. Everything's operational on this vehicle. Got the big console, so I love these Dodges. Or you could have somebody sit in the middle if you so dare. Four-wheel drive there, cruise control, lights. This thing is sweet. Only 77,000 miles, guys. Beautiful truck.